Opposition Leader.
Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, speaking on Art and Culture Department, गोंय हे कलाकाराचें काण आनी म्हाका दिसता गोवा has produced a lot of national जावं international artists of great repute आनी गोंयकार सदांच जावं we feel proud खुशालकाय आमकां भोगता when we speak about मंगेशकर, जेरी ब्रागांझा जो पयलो producer ahlo of the first Konkani film much before then when IFFI was launched. So because of M. Boyer, Rita Rose, now Anthony Gonsalves, Chris Perry, Pandit Jitendra Abhisheki, they have received international recognition. आयचे आमचे जे young artists आहेत जावं सोनिया शिरसट, विष्णू शिरोडकर, मुकेश गटवाल, प्रिन्स जेकब हे सगळे आमकां अजून आमचे तियात्रीस भाव जावं आर्टिस्ट हे आमकां अजून एक्टर आमकां प्राउड कोताय. Unfortunately, because म्हाका दिसता ह्या सरकारान हुंय ना हुंय you all have completely ignored these artists. I'll tell you why. An honorable minister, जावं art and cultureचो minister, जावं chief minister, जे important dates आहाय with regards to their birthdays, anniversaries and great artists. All these things, because I humbly request the art and culture minister that you need to take steps to prepare directory of all the birthdays of these artists. Anik, म्हाका दिसता your social media handle is very poor. You have to basically wish them and all these artists in Goa regularly. This is something that you need to look into because amche next generation will get inspired only when they see this on social media that they are being basically highlighted. Speaker sir, उलोयतना art and culture कला अकादमीचे उलोयता. Speaker sir, हे कला अकादमी ही आमगेली एक प्रेमियर heritage culture आशिल्ली. आनीक this was a place that was of pride and joy for several artists, national जावं international. ह्या जाग्यार speaker sir, people considered this to be one of our heritage, one of Goa's wonder. But today, speaker sir, it is sad to say that Kala Academy does not only stand in bad shape, but it stands destroyed. Speaker sir, a premier institution ha, this speaker sir has been ravaged to a dilapidated condition, even after spending almost 75 crores of rupees. Ani poishe je state exchequer jay tumi gaila, it's basically resulted into deconstruction and downgradation of the complex. Speaker sir, ya complex kami gelle, Madam Speaker, sorry. We had visited this complex and it was a horrifying experience, madam. The monument, it is absolutely a world-class monument ashille, designed by Goan architects. Charles Correa and the foundation is now only a pale shadow of its original structure. Aesthetically, architecture is basically damaged and this has sent bad जे आख्खे देशभर आज ह्या कला अकादमीचे बोवाड जालोलो आसा. स्पीकर सर, आमचे जायते आर्टिस्ट जे परफॉर्म केले, they performed recently outside the Kala Academy as CRY to observe the first anniversary of the tragic collapse of the open auditorium slab. Madam Speaker, जे artists जे पट्टिंगा, they were crying out of the sorry state of affairs of the Dinanath Mangeshkar closed auditorium. Leakages during rains, lighting system faulty, mirror in the green room collapsed after 1 month of installation. Also automatic curtain ashillo, parda ashillo. So parda, speaker sir, is now functioning manually. I had the opportunity to go for an inspection, Madam Speaker, and a renowned sound man of India called Rojo Drago, he also accompanied me, Bob Francis Coelho and several artists. And Madam Speaker, Jenna, we saw that there were several things with regards to sound, lights that were outdated and substandard qualities. And that's because, sir, Madam Speaker, जे आमी Jenna thinga gele, it looked like PWD is the primary responsibility ji tingeli ahli of providing certain standard equipments. They have completely failed. Madam Speaker, ये दिसून येता कित्याक जेन्ना around 50 crores or 55 crores was spent, another additional 10 crores was required for the renovation. Tecton, Bilcon जे एंका टेंडर दिल्लो, म्हाका दिसता पयले सुवातेर 300 एक्शन जावपाक जाय. कित्याक मुखेलमंत्रीन जेन्ना हो स्लॅब कोसडलो त्या वेळार मॅडम स्पीकर मुखेलमंत्रीन स्टेटमेंट केलो की IIT हाडटले म्हणून. मुखेलमंत्री आतां हे सगळे भायले एजन्सीक हाडटा, IIT whatever. With regards to the landslides also, he said IIT Mumbai would come. Who now is because art and culture seems to be pointing out the finger on the PWD department. आज जेन्ना आमी PWD departmentaच्या अधिकारींक घेवन थिंगा गेले, they were helpless. They didn't know anything. Absolutely clueless about what has happened. There were a lot of ambiguities by the equipments ordered. Equipments had gone outdated. And म्हाका दिसता they were unable to answer the questions of basically the artist. Madam Speaker, je artist ak म्हाका दिसता you all had to take them first into confidence. And few things that happened आणि art and cultureचे अधिकारी आशिल्ले, पण primarily जे PWDचे अधिकार आशिल्ले, जो BOQ आशिल्लो of bill of quantities, we tried to check. So it looked like it was vendor bias, whatever PWD has floated. The final purchased equipment of the list was not aligning, Madam Speaker, with the BOQ, which resulted in mismatching of and missing items. The PWD officials and the art and culture officials, when they inquired with the PWD guys, the PWD could not answer. Speaker, sir, Madam Speaker, je outdated models ashille. With regards to the Bose system. The Bose system that is installed there, the sound system is of a 2019 model. And this basically is suited for mid-size, only for conference rooms. It is not suited for a theatre. Kala Academy, the primary use was about theatrist bao, amke natak dakhvita. Thank you. Basic need was for that. The back rows of the auditorium, Madam Speaker, do not receive any adequate sound. Fatlya. You have installed, Madam Speaker, the Department of PWD has installed 4-stage monitors there. 4-stage. What is required is at least 8 high power monitors. And this is needed at the Kala Academy because the Kala Academy has a large stage. Sound system, because to compensate, Madam Speaker, of the problems faced by the theatrists, they started getting their own sound. They started hiring their own sound. To compensate for that, एक bylaws or amphitheater sound ashilo to bitoralo. And this basically was causing a lot of sound distortion. Madam Speaker, they mismatch systems. This leads to a lot of noise cancellation and audio issues. The microphone thing high, they seem to be of substandard. They are of a very low quality, and these also are suitable only for conferences. जो mixer thing aha, that mixer is of 2015 model, 2015 model, and it is outdated compared to the new technology. Thinga jo, Madam Speaker, the issues of lights. We were on the stage. Ami venna gela on the stage, and when they put the lights on, all of us were blinded. Because aaj maga dista je light thinga gaila, Madam Speaker, je audience blinders ma asta. That is normally put on the audience. When you want an effect, you cannot put it on an artist. He will get blind, and that is what is happening, Madam Speaker. They are wrongly placed on stage, and this is posing a lot of risk to the performers. Outdated and inappropriate lights on the stage. LEDs high, they are outdated and they are suited for discotheques, those lights that are fitted. They are not for professional use. The lighting board is faulty lighting controller. When I need to highlight, the lighting board is a phased out 12-year-old model. It's a 12-year-old model. Lights when there is a scene and it is a very, a dangerous scene, the lights that have to be red, suddenly these lights turn to blue, and the artists and theatrists are worried now whether this will change the sequence. the light randomly change because of the LEDs. Madam Speaker, je AC system bosela. This AC system primarily was outside the Kala Academy complex at the start. This new AC system that is installed is causing a lot of vibrations and noise. The AHUs it blows air directly on the stage. When it was switched on, we were on the stage, you could listen to a lot of noises. And I believe that today's microphones are very sensitive, they pull in. So to Kalakar confused that what to expect now. And I believe that primarily, without taking these artists into confidence, the PWD has executed these particular type of equipments. Because, Madam Speaker, acoustica problem ha. The original design of these acoustics were by Bolt, Beranek and Newman. This was from the US at that time, in the 90s and 80s. And there were a lot of stone cladding on the pillars that negatively impact sound quality. The material used are of substandard, they are ineffective. The stage floor, it has inferior wood quality, a very thin floor. This is not absorbing the required sound. Madam Speaker, the weak stage wing thing, pakta padhai stage, is not of good standard. Oir chilya hui natka thing Belgaon bihai te bashin dista. Je oir thing engail the. So basically, green room. We went to the green room. Improper lighting. Things almost एक button gala सगळे bulb पेटताय. आणि इतली सारखी गोरमी. Basically 100 watts bulbs are used there. 100 watts bulb around the mirror. And one button, समज एकलो artist makeup कोदा एकले artist and button बंद मालो सगळे बंद. मग ते मान makeup करप न्हू. Madam Speaker, basically you see the carpeted side also. There are a lot of quality issues. So power supply, there's a lot of power supply issues, power outrages. When we went for an inspection day, water was dripping on the ground floor was going into electricity boards, the PWD, and no one could absolutely explain what was happening there. Black boxa bitor udo, fire safety issues that were there. The fire system seems to be outdated and inadequate. There's a top duct. People are unable to go there because of the new setup. And if, Madam Speaker, this extinguishers and alarms, these also are not up to the standard. Bospache poil mutai they are complaining, the people, that it was comfortable before. There is accessibility issues. There is the social welfare department minister. There are no ramps possibly provided. So basically, I believe that you have to have an audit. There has to be vendor transparency. There has to be up-to-date equipment, up-to-date aspag. Proper acoustic treatment. The sound of yours, you have 18 Bose speakers, and the speakers start from the start. So, surround system it starts normally from the center, because you can hear that surround system. And the front ones cancel the front, so, hui na hui, someone has failed. The agency seems to be the PWD. So, you need to take them at task. You cannot play with the lives of these artists, Madam Speaker. And Magadista hui na hui, you have to look at it. Je amche Bob Francis Coelho zao, Roger Drago zao, sogle artists. Basically, they were not taken, their complaints, they were not taken into confidence, because when you are doing such a setup, spending so many crores of rupees, basically the PWD is not sure of whether this equipment is supplied. Art and culture is not sure whether this is there or no. This is the thing, so I think you need to look at this very, very seriously. Madam Speaker, speaking about the Ravindra Bhavans, Ravindra Bhavan Modgo, the zinc sheets have flown away, water leakages in the premises. Kankod Honorable Speaker, I believe, has not was supposed to inaugurate it on his birthday, but he's taken it forward. I believe that you should complete it and then go in. Last budget speech assurance dille Rangbhumi Kalagar to get constituency. I believe nothing has happened so far. You had proposed to construct something in Mapsa, and this is a long pending demand. This is something that you need to cater to the Bardes Taluka people. लायब्ररीचे उलयतना जे सेंट्रल लायब्ररी हा पाटो, this has a big repository of books, a lot of collection of books, and this is a classic example of the neglect. Earlier, ji AC bosoilli, it didn't even last for 10 years. Je tinga book hai, there are almost 40,000 volumes of pre-liberation collection, and I believe that this is at high risk. The High Court finally gave a rap to this government, Madam Speaker, and asked them to issue a contract of rupees 2 crores to replace the AC system. We don't know. You could tell us whether how many books are basically damaged, how many manuscripts, how many documents because of this non-function. What is the damage to Yamka Sangche? This is a clear-cut indifference of the Department of Art and Culture towards our art and culture. And the budgetary allocation of the Honorable Art and Culture Department is 201 crores as compared to 195 last year. But if you look at the way things are moving within the department, I'm not sure about the operation of this department. The schemes that you had, if you look at as of March 31st, 2025, you have a scheme, your goal seems to be for assistance to revive, preserve, and protect the Goan Mand culture. Kalakar Nidhi Muntugeli scheme ha. Scheme for upliftment of Rangbhumi, Utsavi Rangbhumi of Goa, Kala Sanman scheme, Kala Gaurav Puraskar scheme, and a state cultural award for institutions. Now these schemes that you are giving, these were almost 10, some are 15 years old. I believe that the amount is not adequate, although you give very little, but it is not adequate considering today's inflation. I believe that the Honorable Minister should look at hiking these schemes in proportion to the inflation. Ada amchi ji state cultural policy ji ha, Madam Speaker, was formulated by the Congress government basically to help or promote the local artist. And under these schemes, this was basically for the artistic community and promoting art and culture. Gomant Vibhushan Award, Kala Gaurav Award, Yuva Shrujan Award, your scheme jo halyo, we all used to give musical instruments to choir groups, to financial assistance to women groups for costumes and drapery, are some of the initiatives that were launched during the Congress government. Also, statehood adisak, 60 artists of the age group of 60 and above, they were felicitated, but I believe you all have stopped this. There are few artists that you look at. I think last time it was 35, now it's gone 25 and below. Unfortunately, either this government has discontinued of these schemes or have kept them dormant. I request you that you need to look and revive these schemes. This was in the interest of the common man and the artist. Last time also I had raised this thing with regards to grace marks to students. And jenna tu maga uttor dille gelte Vidhan Sabhan ki you will look into it. Madam Speaker, the most disgusting thing is the failure of this government to give grace marks to students excelling in cultural activities at national and international level. Now, 12 years, this government could not clear the file of giving or notifying these grace marks for the students. I am raising this issue again to the Honorable Minister. Right from the first day, that first session when I was an MLA, the first time I raised this, are you serious to give these marks to the students? If yes, when and when will this start? I want an assurance from you that when will you notify this grace mark schemes? Madam Speaker, promotion of traditional art asta, folk art and performing art and cultural heritage. Yo jo scheme halyo, amcho jenna sarkar ashilo त्या वेळार कुणबी dancers, दिवडी dancers, Mando group, bhajan artists, enka soglank, they were given an opportunity to perform, even during promotion events. Anik, even when they were head of states, used to visit, when there were any diplomats, they had an opportunity. Today, Makadista, the government has laid to rest to such initiatives. Why? Because you all are providing grants to the near and dear ones, basically of your party, of the BJP. Government needs to, you need to prepare a proper data bank with this as well. Do you have a data bank is what you should tell us. Ami tuka ek ye sangla je grant je help for a function. Last 4 years you all have rejected it. I have sent it to you. जे आमगेले उरूस जाता ट्रेडिशनली इन आमगे बाळ्ळी बॉर्डराचेर या सो तें तुवें मातशें तें चोयचें. Madam Speaker, with regards to encouraging and recognizing and promoting artists of Goa at national and international level, you all have failed in giving any platform. Why I am saying this is again your reply. It is evident that you all have no data. I have your replies that you all have no data. You all are not aware whether the winners of the National Youth Festival who have won medals like performing arts like Bharatnatyam, harmonium, and Kathak classes into whether they have won. You all have no record. Winners of Yuva Shrujan Award, they hardly get any opportunity to perform at the national and international level. You should give them a chance to perform. With regards to your, if I see your art and culture, infrastructure, that seems to be crumbling. Ravindra Bhavan, recently leakage zali, जावं काणकोण हे completion जावपाक उरलां. I believe you need to do a lot of structural audit and safety audit as well. आता, Madam Speaker, your government has failed to set up a Center for Art and Culture at the Adil Shah Palace. Ye 2012 Adil Shah Palace which was the assembly complex, was refurbished at that time during the Congress government, and it was supposed to be converted into the Center for Art and Culture. Tej nantar, Madam Speaker, after 12 years, nothing has happened except the corrupt smart city office, which is today a monument of corruption. Office thinga. I want an answer from you, a timeline by which your premises will be utilized by the Center of Art and Culture, or whether you will not utilize it. Please give us an answer on that. Madam Speaker, with regards to, I will speak to only one specific, with regards to the music, dance and theatre classes in Ravindra Bhavan, Margaon. Now, why I am speaking about Margaon is because when I read the answers, Ravindra Bhavan, Kurchare, Sankadi, and Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir at Ponda, they are conducting these classes. So, it's a good thing that you are doing that. Now, I had put a question, ki Unstarred LAQ number 160 dated 17 July, which states that reasons for Ravindra Bhavan not providing classes in dance, in theatre and music and singing. Answer to indila, since no space is available at Ravindra Bhavan Margaon. Ani ek prashna hai gatlo, LAQ 6C on 24th July, pal 17 gaile mai 24th na gaile. Whether any buildings, indoor or outdoor area has remained unutilized at Ravindra Bhavan. Tugelo reply yelo, buildings, indoor or outdoor area of all autonomous bodies under the administrative control of Director of Art and Culture are utilized. Now my question to you is, tugele NX building ha dinga. NX building ha kizata. So these activities are going on in Ravindra Bhavan complex. Maka dista ki this is a very serious issue. Or Ravindra Bhavan is for the entire Salsette. You need to start these music, dance and theatre classes. I will not personally comment on people who are running that thing. I will come to that later. But you have to make sure, and you tell us when will this dance, music and theatre classes start. You please give us an assurance. Madam Speaker, committee of Ravindra Bhavan Soilyar, that looks like a committee of political party. Titu eklo, adle Congressache zaid distay. Eklo Gopal Naik, Savio Mascarenas, Nitin Prabhudesai, Dhananjay, Eklo Councillor, Shweta Lotlikar, Milagrin. What is their, you are a Kalakar, you are an artist. What is their contribution in art and culture? You please tell me, what is their contribution in art and culture? Because I am also not an artist, but what is their contribution? What is their credentials? And what is their experience? All of these just on recommendation of MLAs or ex-MLAs, and sogle चोयल्या तुगेले मडगांवचे आनी फातोड्डाचे सालतेच भायरान हुंय न्हय. सो हें कित्याक जाता आनी हें आर्ट एंड कल्चरान आमगे वाडटलें हेजेर म्हाका दिसता तुवें चॅक करपाक प्रोफेशनलां दवरूं जाय. दीस इज नॉट अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. आनी म्हाका सोमना जे मंत्री आहले मुखेलमंत्री आहले ते तेंगे आहाय तितल्या मनशां थिंग घालपाक सोदताय बिस्तेच. तें घाम तुम काटाय ते जाली सारकी हिंगाय पाड घान घातले आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट. मॅडम स्पीकर, जे नाव आय एम कमिंग टू द मेंटेनन्स ऑफ रवींद्र भवन, हें लिकेज जाता म्हूण सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. Your LAQ dated 150 on 24th July 2024, you have stated that you have spent 45 lakhs was spent on repairs of roof of Ravindra Bhavan Margaon. The same reply states that another 26 lakhs will be spent on the repair of roof. ये मुगे प्रश्न है इंसान लेते. Now, Ravindra Bhavan has also spent 62 lakhs on miscellaneous repair works. 44 lakhs on internal and external plaster and 31 lakhs on repair of wooden floor as per your reply. So the total amount you've spent is 2.08 crores. After spending 2.08 crores, Madam Speaker, Ravindra Bhavan is still leaking. So this is a very, very serious thing that is happening and the Honorable Minister needs to answer on this. Madam Speaker, जे एक्सपेंडिचर or incurred on programs of non-Goan artists. आता non-Goan artistaचे हांवें प्रश्न घायिल्ले. Specifically रवींद्र भवनाचे तुका उदाहरण दिता. LAQ 160 dated 17 July. You have stated 17,30,000 तेंचे मोडाय म्हणून non-Goan artist. Includes payment of 6 lakhs to Kalarang Festival organized in association with Kalangan Margaon. तेम केलें तें. आता गोंयकाराक कितू मोडले का म्हणून जाल्या हांवें थिंक प्रश्न घायल्लो इज व्हेरी व्हेरी लेस एंड जे तुवें पड मोडला this amounts to program held at all across the Ravindra Bhavan. So this shows that maximum share of expenditure on non-Goan artists is more than performances of Goan artists. I believe that you are an artist, you look into this, you take them into confidence. And artists, if they are taken into confidence, your art and culture department will shine. Madam Speaker, speaking on the sports department, there is a saying that you rob Peter to pay Paul. This is what is happening with the infrastructure of the sports department. Ata Pedne jo ground bandillo is about 35 crores to me modle. This is given to GMR as part of Manohar International Airport. They have put their CISF, and the objective originally was for training of sportsmen and women in handball, weightlifting and kabaddi. That was why this ground was built. It was for national games in Gujarat zale tinga. Now it is gone. What is the logic? Do you have any hope of reclaiming it, or it is only lease agreements that the sports department will do? बांबोळे जे मॅडम स्पीकर श्यामा प्रसाद स्टेडियम पळय हा, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान हांगा सांगचें की वेन एंड वॉट वॉज द लास्ट स्पोर्टिंग इव्हेंट दॅट हेल्ड इन दिस श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी. कितलो टायम रे म्हणून नॅशनल गेम कितले म्हयने जाले. दीस स्टेडियम इज नाव फॉर कल्चरल, पॉलिटिकल आनी बिझनस इव्हेंट्स एक्सेप्ट स्पोर्ट्स. सो यू हॅव स्टेडियम्स वेर स्पोर्ट्स नेवर हॅपन्स, ऑल द अदर थिंग्स हॅपन. This is something that you need to consider and look into. Madam Speaker, national games also jo infrastructure zalo, or infrastructure of this department, particularly that was created for national games, now is lying underutilized and unutilized. What is your plan with this infrastructure? Je maga dista such a colossal of public waste of funds, and if you say double engine sarkaran तुका कितली ग्रांट दिले तेंय तुवें आमकां क्लियर करचें. वॉट वॉज द टोटल अमाउंट, वॉट ग्रांट्स you've received, what is the pending grants, and whether you will get the pending grants and when you will get the pending grants. My demand to the Honorable Minister is you should ensure that this multiplier sport activity happens in different disciplines. This is something that with full focus on training and a lot of motivation and incentives for growth, ye maka dista hui na hui, the sports department is falling short. Ata your achievement in national games, Goa finished a remarkable 9th place, which is good, outstanding. But what are the actual facts? Goa's sporting skills were mostly non-Olympic disciplines. They are not recognized by the Olympic Association of India or wherever it is. Pancake, silkat, modern pentathlon, martial arts, these were majorly where you are. There are a lot of reports that Goan sportsmen faced hardship in training. There was no inadequate training, lack of basic facilities also because of sports equipment and sports kits. Yeah, national games, जावपा जाय, मग तो जो show must go on मुटालो, your predecessor. I was sitting there from 2010. So from such a long time, what has the sports department done? What have you all done? Every time you all were saying national games जावपा जाय. Aaj, म्हाका दिसता, if you look at the athletes that won medals are either trained overseas or outside the state. Akansha Shalunke, she was trained in the US. Sanjana Prabhugaonkar, she trained in Dubai. Katya Coelho, she's based in Goa, but she gives most of her success solely to her parents and her hard work. So where does the government come in? The Honorable Sports Minister needs to tell us. Sports Minister, you conducted several visits. Distalo tu samka sarko, groundache oitalo, disciplined koso, but there were several coaches that were either absent or were unfit for the job. This is a fact, and you need to acknowledge that. Fitness certificate je put coacha kelli 2 varsanchi. It was for 2 years. Out of 130 coaches that you have, I believe, except 35 to 40, all the other 35, 40 are professional. All the others, Madam Speaker, need training. Ata, Madam Speaker, je non-payment of money or to the national games, 3,000 burgi, they had to volunteer, they had to resort to an agitation. They came out came out openly in protest for the remuneration. Sports persons are yet to prize money. They are still waiting for the medal winner. These athletes are not linked to national games, but para athletes are. There seems to be a problem. Finally, Ami Janna Operation Marla, you have said you would give it during Ganesh Chaturthi. I believe that the main reason is there is lack of coordination between Sports Authority of Goa and the Directorate of Youth Affairs. You have even almost more than 1,000 staffers, but your output is not satisfactory within the department. Swimming pool je pade hai, the water quality needs to be monitored. Regular maintenance is needed. Je Kelo India mu je maga dista jo concept allo. You have shifted it to Pede Sports Club. There is a lot of unrest among the players. No arrangements have been made. Swimming pool jo Pede ha is small. They are not happy about it. School children, they lose a lot of time traveling from Panjim to Pede. So basically, have you addressed this issue? Is there any transportation, any mechanism that you have kept? To amke sanche. Basically, Madam Speaker, je panchayat area to dusre area goy bor. Zayte infrastructure ha. But this is absolutely in poor maintenance and utilization of this sports. This sports assets is not done properly. I believe that you have to partner with local sports associations and sports clubs, and educational institutes, to make sure that all this infrastructure falls in place. You need to decentralize and sign MOUs with Zaite local institution. This is the best way to create a new wasteful expenditure bonds out. You need to give them, a lot of people want to take over. I believe that you have to first maintain and put existing Portuguese infrastructure to better use. And that infrastructure to get national games agenda jalo.
Honorable Leader of Opposition, how much time do you need?
Under 10 minutes.
You've already got 40 minutes.
No, I started at 8:08. I wrote the time. 8:08. Madam Speaker, infrastructure, tinga paus pado, and thank God paus pado to sagla bithore national games are time. Thank God it was towards the end of the national games. A lot of infrastructure is crying for help. Some places, simple lawn mower pasu thing that ground can be used. I am thankful that amge Kungol ground, I sanglo te tum kele, makaza nahi kele. But maka dista goyim bor zaite ground hai, ani kiya ground tuye chopak jai. Swimming pool at Kampal also saw a lot of renovations. So I want to ask two important questions to the Honorable Minister. One, why was the volleyball event dropped at last moment at the National Games? Number two, why were athletes imported from other states? when you knew that national games was atmu tuka tu confidence allo double engine sarkarache, why did Goa have to import athletes from another state? What is the lesson that you have learned, or what is your experience? You will say sagle sare jal mu sang naka hui na hui chuklay tehi sang te maka dista basically only when you grassroots pad amge sarkelya ku amka he mukar ospa shekte. Madam Speaker, with regards to Khelo India centers, what is the budgetary allocation? Into maga dista tumi ek talukan kotlemu sanglan kite. What is your budgetary allocation in the thing? How are you going to do it? Sports University, Honorable Chief Minister made a statement that Sports University would be established. There are no deadlines. The Prime Minister has inaugurated the National Institute of Water Sports at Karanzalem. In 10 वर्षां जाला and 24 crore takamole. But I believe it's still not completely complete. What is the actual state of this? You please tell us. Football grounds of Kampal hallo gelte orsa complete zatmu sanglolo still incomplete. Registered je cricket club hai, je proposed international cricket stadium लागू झगोट आहे. प्रत्येक आमदार पेडणेचो म्हणटा आपणागे टमा क्रिकेट हो स्टेडियम जातलो. हेय मोठा पेडणे आहे ते पण जा कोण दी तांकां मातशें. त्या क्रिकेट ग्राउंड जातलो जावपा ना because I think sports and youth affairs have been allocated land in Dargad. But whether this will happen or will not happen, ते आमकां सांगचें. Your focus, म्हाका दिसता, Madam Speaker of the department, there are several projects that are delayed. The focus of your government should be in identifying local talent and developing them into quality sportspersons. And this is something you need to look at, keeping in mind some goal. Olympics or national games, whatever, you should have some goal. So you have basically failed with regards to stadiums and pools. A lot of Naveli Amdaran Prashna Kela with the Manor Parikaracho stadium, Tingai Trans Dadai. Why were these stadiums created? Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium is just nothing but an exhibition center. How will you encourage the sports persons and promote these sporting activities? The Honorable Sports Minister needs to come with a plan. Now, Pedne jenna ami prashna kelo Pedne groundache, jo tumi GMR dilo. Te prashna, it was made for 36 national games. And when this was made for 36 national games, basically, it was not used for the 37. You spent 36.53 crores to be precise. And you get a rent of 3.84 crores annually. But I was looking at your lease agreements. And Jenna lease agreement I was looking, one is dated 26 May 2022 to 31st October. Otra mahina tumi poil lease agreement kela. Dusro agreement jo tumi kela, it is dated 21st June. And it is from 26th November to 25th May. So mahina kela. Ata मान्य मंत्री पयलो अग्रीमेंट तुगेलो 31 ऑक्टोबरा काबार जालो. दुसरो अग्रीमेंट तुगेलो 26 नोव्हेंबरा स्टार्ट जालो. सो ते 1 नोव्हेंबर टू 26 नोव्हेंबरा कितें जालें? What happened during that time? You please tell us, the gap of 1 month. And also, if I see on the agreement what is given to me, how can an agreement which got over on 25th May is signed on 21st June 2024. I don't understand how these replies are given to us. You check the reply. This shows basically this is just nothing but ulta karbar. Madam Speaker, je maga dista tukai je cycling association have written to you of an alleged fraud where Secretary General has demanded je 14.14 lakhs. 14 lakhs ache ye fraud zala manon. Some Kalu Space was paid 4.80 lakhs for accommodation. Tanvi Hilloskar was paid 7,65,000 for 45 days to 75 persons. You must clarify what is the stand of this cycling association. Media Solution Act 1,69,000 was given for 45 days. Basically, this event didn't even happen. And this is a fraud. Will you look into it? This is a... Huh? Cycling. Then letter तुका बुरेला आमकां एक कॉपी धाडल्या. GFDC जे साउथाक सोत्रा सेंटर आहे, नॉर्थाक ओट्रा सेंटर आहे, जे फातोड्डा स्टेडियमाक हे म्हाका दिसता very important that you open the office because 65% of the GFTC strength is from South Goa. See, I will congratulate you. When it comes to football, last time I सांगलेलें की the standard was going down. Santosh Trophy, the standard, okay, it is something that is rising. But you need to make sure, जे grassroots football मुट्टे गोंयकार connected है, grassroots जे club है, तेंकां de-recognize भी करूं वचना काय. तेंकां बसोन सारकें settlement कराय. तेंच लागूं क्लबा लागूं फुटबॉल ना एक grassroots पॉट फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट जाता इंटर-वॉर्ड आनी हेंच लागूं आज फुटबॉल आहा. You need to make sure that whatever aid is required, you give them with regards to that. Madam Speaker, आता तुगेले pending list हांव चोयतालो of payment 37 national games आमी पयरीं सांगलेलें तुका वेंडराक 103 crore दिवपा आहा. Grants to sports associations from April 2020 to March 2024, 1 crore 91 lakhs is pending. Medal holders who won national and international tournaments, 3 crores 87 lakhs is pending. The reason is given because of paucity of funds in Dilna. So this total comes to 109 crores. 109 crores, 22 lakhs. When will you give this? Yeah, when you promise them, they are sports person, they have to be given immediately. I think apart from Goa, every state gives them immediately. You have not given anything for India winning the World Cup. That is a different story, but at least our Goans should get this as soon as possible. Ani ek interesting I found, Madam Speaker, is about the unfulfilled promises. You said that, and the Chief Minister had announced, government jobs for medal winners of the national games. Ami prashna gatlolo. The reply given to us stated that government is yet to initiate the process. Mayen kedo next national games are job metle na. You have not initiated the process at all. So you should have a time frame. Make sure when you tell these sports people, when you give them, when they won medals, I believe that it is their right, Madam Speaker, to get these jobs. Madam Speaker, swimming and coaching and trainers, I had asked another question about the assessment on the ratio. 5 million ka barko. On the assessment of the ratio with regards to the number of coaches, to the number of swimmers, to the number of centers. And what answer you have given to me, I believe that it is a fact that we do not have swimming teachers and coaches and trainers in Goa. I believe you need to look into it. Will you give me an assurance that coaches and trainers will be appointed soon? This is something that the people are normally facing. Other sports persons are excelling at international level. Inga ami prashna janna maglolo, tumi amka uttar dila ki the scheme for achieving excellence in sports at international level, te zapen except eklo Rahul Prabhudesai, remain 6 soza halle, 5 people are yet to receive the amount. One, Shamik Kane Vaz, Dane Coelho, Peral Kolwalkar, Anurar Prabhudesai, Yash Padloskar, 68 lakhs to yanka dila. This is pending for how long? 5 years. Ye yech chouti tum ditle, o ken chouti ditle, yehi amke tum achhe sang. Je maga dista, another, I had also asked, jo Mount Everest, who climbed the Mount Everest, Bab Pankaj Narvekar, will he also be given this financial assistance? You have said that decision is taken because no application has been received. But I believe we have to promote this. You have to be proactive. They went through a lot of hardships. Don't wait for them. Approach them. This is something that they come from, it's difficult for a sports person without finance to go ahead. So, Maka, tu assurance the 68.74 lakhs when you will release. Also, of Pankaj Narvekar will also get the benefit of the scheme, who was the only Goan to basically climb the Mount Everest. So ground to be banta, I believe in your constituency, Madam Speaker, sir, Panjim, Dayanand Bandodkar and Dr. Jaksikher, both were sports lovers. I believe that Zo ground, entire sports complex at Kampal, including the football ground and other grounds should be named as Dayanand Bandodkar Sports Complex. And Taligaon Community Hall, and your football ground, you should name this at Dr. Jaksikher Complex. This is something, Madam Speaker, that will basically, as a mark of respect, because both of them was the first Chief Minister, first opposition leader, and both were lovers of sport. Last, Janna Olaitna, Madam Speaker, speaking on RDA, I'll keep it short. Crematorium, there are several places that people are not allowed to bury based on caste, creed, religion, and domicile and nationality. I believe you need to take steps along with your colleague, the law minister, to bring in a law to do away with refusals of performing last rites. This is something that is very important. Is seen across the state of Goa. There are several cases that are reported in the media as well. जे ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री पॉट तुवें म्हणटा जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुवें करपाक जाय स्पेशली जेन्ना काब्राल बाब PWD मंत्री आशिल्लो ही हॅड प्रॉमिस्ड दॅट दे वूड बी बिल्डिंग हायवेज वॉट अबाउट ऑल the toilets and bathrooms and all these facilities? There are hardly nothing. This was something that he had promised when he was PWD minister. I appeal that you should look at rural areas to create such toilets, bathrooms, urinals. And I believe if the government accepts this recommendation, then Goa will emerge as a model state. Last, Manrega je worker hai. And here Manrega je maga dista jaite temporary staff hai. And they have to be regularized. This was a game changer. It was a brainchild of the Congress government. And I believe that this scheme at the start was ridiculed by the Prime Minister. The truth is that the Manrega has helped lakhs of workers during the testing times of COVID. And lots of dues are pending. Some because of their bank details and a lot of issues. You should have a special cell for them because they work throughout the year. And I believe during COVID also this was a very successful thing. They work and they earn. You need to ensure that their payments are released in time. And last जेन्ना उलयतना जे आमचे कुंगोळजी गांवांत तुमी एक ते लायट प्रॉमिस केल्ले ग्राउंडाचे that is pending. आमगेलो gym equipment you had promised you would give. Speaker sir, we're saying this the last thing through RDA जे marketplace for traditional farmers. A lot of time, even every year we speak about जे highway side भी ते आहे जे कोणगा जांबळा पिपरियो दुधी तांबडी भाजी हे पड इंकताय तांकां दाखली ही म्हाका दिसता market places if you are going to build preferably for the farmers along the rural areas, this will help. Thank you, Madam Speaker.